Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight I am just going to fix some chicken legs. I don't really want to do a lot, mess with them a lot. So this is so easy. Just put your chicken legs in a casserole dish. I set my oven for 375. All you need to do is take you some butter. Put you a couple of pats of butter. Of course, my butter is really frozen. I'm doing chicken legs tonight. I'm just putting my chicken legs in a casserole dish. I'm going to put just some butter, and I'm just going to cover it with a little bit of water, not much. It's not covered the chicken. I'm just putting some water in it. I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'm going to cook them at 375 for probably 45 minutes. I'll check on them and make sure they're done. Just don't really want to stand over a stove today, so I'm just going to put them in there and let them bake. And when they get done, I'm going to put some Baby Ray's BBQ sauce and a little bit of George's BBQ sauce on top of it. And that's all it is to it. It's not, I'm not covering it with aluminum foil or anything. We're just going to put it in there in the oven. You can use your Ninja oven or your regular oven. And since it's a little chilly down here, I'm going to use my regular oven. That way it heats up the kitchen. That's all it is to it. I set my timer for 45 minutes. And we're just going to let it cook. Okay, my chicken's been cooking for 45 minutes. And I tested each piece and with the thermometer, and it has definitely reached, poultry should be 180, and it's going a little past 180. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain the water off of it. We're going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on top of it. Just going to brush it in just a little bit. And I'm going to pour a little bit of this George's original barbecue sauce from North Carolina on top of this. It's a vinegar-based barbecue sauce. I just happen to like the flavor of it. You used any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. I think that piece there needs a little bit more. I'm going to set it back in the oven just so my barbecue sauce can get hot, and then we will be ready for dinner. Okay, I put it back in the oven for 3 or 4 more minutes. I watched it. I had it on broil, and it got real crispy on top. Now here is my dinner. I cooked 4 chicken legs, but I'm only going to eat 2 chicken legs. I have some potato salad and some cranberry sauce. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I just wanted something different for dinner tonight. Join my channel. Give me your comments. And please come back to see me again. And this was so easy. It's just 2 chicken legs with some butter and water in your oven. Bake it for 45 minutes. And you've got your chicken legs done. And I already had the potato salad. Have a fantastic day. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Barbecue chicken legs.